Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate cool AI images on your Android or iPhone for completely free. First you need to download CapCut Mobile App. You can download this app from App Store or Play Store. And after downloading the app, you need to open this. Now go to this text to image option. Okay, it's time to generate some cool images. Now I'm typing a random command. If you want to use the same command, don't worry, I'm putting this in the description so you can use it and generate same type of images. After typing your command, hit generate. As you can see, you have got your generations. If you want to generate another set of images, hit generate again. If you want to change this command, you can easily do it by just typing whatever you want. You can add anything you want, or you can remove anything from the current command and hit generate. You know what is the biggest advantage in this app? You have no limitations in creating these AI generated images. You can generate how many pictures you want. There is no limitations at all. For now to this day, it's totally unlimited. You can generate how many pictures you want per day, per week, per month, whatever it is, like you want. If you want to download one of these images, all you have to do is select your image and choose this upscale option. Now you can download this image very easily by clicking the save option. In here there are a few options. You can expand the image, you can change the aspect ratio like this, or you can keep it. You have a few options. And you have options like this. You can choose whatever you want and change it. If you want to change the quality of the image, you can do this by clicking this option, and you can increase the quality, decrease the quality the way you want. If you want to generate the anime version of this image, simply you can use this option and generate. This time I'm using a different command to generate a different set of images. Don't worry, I'm putting this command in the description so you can copy it and paste it and generate images like this. You have got another cool set of images. You can easily download these images by upscaling and clicking the save option. In this app, there is another cool feature called inspiration. If you go to this section, you can see lots of AI generated images and their command prompts. You can use these prompts easily. Click this use prompt and you can edit, or you can keep the prompt and generate images like this. Okay guys, that is it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe as well if the video was useful. Bye.